Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc, and today I'm going to be showing you the Transformator 239 power supply from Bavarian Custom Irons. Made in Bavaria, Germany, all power supplies from Bavarian Custom Irons are of the highest quality, built to last, and come with a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. So let's take a closer look. The BCI power supplies feature a frame made of solid aluminium and steel with a powder coating, and have been soldered on Bavarian circuit boards by the company's master electrician. The dials are made from nailed metal for smoother handling during use, and a foam anti-slip pad on the base keeps it in place on your workstation. The Transformator 239 has a large digital voltage display with blue lighting for clear visibility, a control switch for 3 individually adjustable channels, a trio of 6.3mm jack connections on the front, and a single 6.3mm jack connection at the back for your foot switch. For those who don't need to use a foot switch, this power supply also has a continuous operation switch here. These power supplies are suitable for use with any machines, but they are the perfect accompaniment for Bavarian Custom Irons' lineup of high quality core machines. Not to mention their own range of clip cords and RCA cables. This cube-shaped power supply from BCI measures 18mm in length, width and height, and tops the scales at 615 grams. All Bavarian Custom Irons power supplies are CE certified and come in a decorative display tin with a power lead and manual. Killer Inc stocks the Transformator 239 power supply in 5 colours: solid black, solid gold, solid pink, NATO olive, and black with red blood splatters. All can be ordered from the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Bavarian Custom Irons power supplies, what do you think? Will you be picking up a Transformator 239 for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.